Hello, everyone. I'm Joseph Giarraputo, the President and Editorial Director of Global Finance. I'm coming to you from New York. I'll be joined shortly by Jonathan Lamb, Head of Platform Business for Wholesale Clients at Standard Bank, speaking from Johannesburg. Standard Bank is Africa's largest bank. This year, Global Finance named it Best Bank in Africa and Best Investment Bank in Africa. Jonathan, welcome.
Thank you, Joseph. It's great to be here with you today.
Standard Bank recently introduced an exciting initiative for its corporate and investment banking clients called OneHub. Can you please tell us what OneHub is, what prompted Standard Bank to develop the platform, and walk us through its key features?
Sure. I think to start, as part of the group's future-ready strategy, we're really transforming ourselves into a client-centered, platform-based business. Now, what this really means is that we're now able to partner our clients for both the traditional financial product sets that we've historically partnered and helped them with, but also it now means we can go beyond financial services and really start to help our clients with more non-traditional solutions. Now, in the wholesale client business, we recognize that the corporate clients, corporate Africa, and the client base that we bank in our 20 markets are really starting to pay close attention to how innovation, digitization, emerging business models, and technology are going to transform their businesses going forward. And so to make sure we can partner our clients, we've structured an approach that allows us to help them on their digital journeys. And OneHub is a core part of this. And it's exactly core to how we're going to actually help our clients on this journey. The OneHub platform is essentially a digital solutions marketplace. It's a single entry point. Almost think of it as a mall of solutions in the form of web apps and APIs that we're going to connect to our clients to help them with specific problem statements in their environment. Now, these propositions will be provided by both our internal capability, our own data and digital capability, but also a partner network of trusted and curated third parties that we bring into the OneHub community. So we see this really as a one-stop shop for businesses operating on the continent to come to both consume our existing offerings, but also engage with us and our partners to co-create new propositions for them in the market.
John, what solutions are available on OneHub?
We started with a fairly small solution set when we first went into production in Q3 2020. So our pre-launch version of OneHub had a set of 4 bank-owned web solutions and 2 bank-owned APIs. We then, over a period of about 11 months with some early adopter clients, refined those solutions and also got to understand a bit more around what the market needed. And so over that period between pre-launch and launch, which was in June this year, we built out a further 5 solutions and a further 4 APIs. So we now have a total of 9 web solutions and 6 APIs. And interestingly enough, within that period, we've also introduced, as part of the web solutions, 2 of them are partner products, in line with our strategy to sort of connect our clients to both our assets and trusted partners. The solutions and APIs serve really 3 domains of problem statement at the moment. Firstly, our traditional business domain, so our traditional product sets, which are our financial services, where we have solutions that simplify things like opening new accounts for existing clients or automating the treasury management process or booking FX and money market deals in a simpler manner. The second set of products that are currently available really help our clients manage some of the risks that we're seeing in their environment. So these are things like using biometric identity solutions to help our clients manage who they're doing business with. And this is a solution that's provided by a partner, the first partner we brought onto the platform, who are called Identify. Other solutions in this domain are things like fraud risk management solutions to help our clients in circumventing some procurement fraud risks that may sit in their environment. And lastly, in this sort of suite of products, we've got another third-party product with a partnership we've done with a company called Transaction Capital, called Authentify. This helps clients manage the risks around their collections books. Now, all 3 of these products in this suite are seen as non-traditional. The last final domain where we've already got a solution out into the market is within the renewable energy sector. Here we've created a new offering called Power Pulse, which is really going to revolutionize how we help our clients that really want to invest in taking themselves off-grid in South Africa by connecting their requirement to a set of providers and concluding on a program of work to take their factory or their offices off grid.
Are there any new features in development you can tell us about?
So firstly, our strategy in identifying what to do next and how to build out our roadmap follows the client problem statement. So we constantly engage with our clients to understand their requirements, where they're going on their digital roadmaps, and equally we constantly revisit our roadmaps to ensure that we're connecting the right things into OneHub to solve for the B2B problem statement we're seeing in corporate Africa. Our short-term roadmap is really focusing on 3 key streams of work. Firstly, we have a roadmap around platform features. These are common services that all solutions or tenants on the OneHub platform will be able to use. Things like our multi-factor login capability, which has just gone live, which is a start on our journey towards full strong authentication. Secondly, we've had early feedback from clients around our One Developer solution, which is our API gateway, targeting the developer persona that sits in our client environment. So we're aggressively enhancing that capability to respond to the client feedback. The second bucket of capability on our roadmap is where we really see value in expanding the risk as a service offering that we've started with. We're looking for complementary products to the identity management offering that we already have. This is really in pursuit of finding adjacent capabilities to help our clients in managing the risks in their environment. And then lastly, we're also going to start connecting some of the bank's existing wholesale solutions and channels to the platform to ensure clients can enter one place for all of their needs. So lastly, it's worth mentioning that we're also starting to see a trend appearing where clients are very keen to enter into co-creation partnerships with us, where we look to start combining some of their assets with ours with the intention of creating new tailored value propositions that will be delivered through OneHub as either a solution, web-based solution, or an API to help our clients and the market.
Jonathan, what are you and your colleagues hearing from clients who've used OneHub?
Look, it's definitely early days. We officially launched to the market in June this year, but we've already got just over 800 users in total on the platform. Of these 800, about 350 of those are client users, with the balance being staff members from the bank and partners that we've brought into the OneHub community. We've had a great response from the early adopters and in fact from the market. This is new, non-traditional, and it's a different way of us engaging with our corporate client franchise. And we recognize that we've got a lot to learn, and we really want to learn that with our clients, our partners in the markets where we operate on the continent. Something we really have seen value in is building and driving the user community on OneHub. And so we're really focusing on bringing key new non-traditional personas, individuals we haven't historically engaged with in our client organizations, into the platform purely to start an engagement between them, our partners, and ourselves. I'm confident that we're really going to see some traction in the market with OneHub as we move towards scaling the platform over the next 12 to 24 months.
Jonathan, this was very interesting. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much for the time. It's been great talking to you today, Joseph.